Zhejiang Hien New Energy Equipment Company Limited is a professional sales, research, and development of heat pumps enterprise. Our parent company Zhejiang AMA and Hien Technology Company Limited entered the air energy industry in 2000 with a registered capital of 300 million yuan. It is a specialized enterprise of air source heat pumps in the fields of research and development, production, sales and service, covering heating, cooling, domestic hot water and drying, etc. AMA and Hien always attaches great importance to product R&D and technological innovation. AMA and Hien has an excellent and experienced team with strong R&D, design and innovation capabilities. At the same time, AMA and Hien has set up a provincial postdoctoral workstation and has been approved as a national postdoctoral research station this year. AMA and Hien is a specialized, refined, special, and new little giant enterprise of the MIIT of China and is also a demonstration enterprise of trademark brand strategy in Zhejiang Province. It has won so many other honors, such as the Pinzi certification of World Quality Made in Zhejiang, the leading brand in the heat pump industry, and the 5-star after-sales service certification, etc. Moreover, AMA and Hien participated in drafting a number of national standards for air energy industry. You wouldn't surprise that we have won the bid and successfully completed large-scale projects, such as the Shenzhen World University Games, Boao Forum for Asia, Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge Artificial Island Hot Water Supply.